Today I'm riding my bike and I have to focus forward and you can still watch. Oh, I gotta go now.
Go ask mommy nice if she can open up the door. Mama. Having fun exploring things is what you came in for. Living, laughing, loving, cause we learning every minute. Doing alphabets and now we counting all the digits. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Yeah, we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper today.
Hanging with Harper. Go now. Alright. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on with me. Bumpy. Relax. When you over. Stuck. Stuck.
Push. Push.
Oh no,
You need a boost? Ready? Steady?
Go. A bus. A bus. It's all bus.
How do you spell bus?
B-S-T-E.
What? Bus.
B-U-S. Bus.
Go. Need help?
Stuck.
You go.
Okay, go. And my bike goes over a bump. Come on. I'm doing good. I just fell over. Well, let's keep on going because I'm okay. Just sprained my ankle. Sprained my ankle. But I'm going to keep on going. This is fun. I like this. I need backup. I need backup. Yeah. Bye.
Don't take your feet off. There you go. Going. Why are you all in the yard? Stay on the road, Harper.
I did. If you know how to ride a bike, give me a big kite and down below. Down below. I'm making my mom.
Let's ride.
Mom, walk where you're going. I'm gonna run you over.
Keep turning.
Turning.
There you go. Got it. Come down here. Let's go. What's wrong? It's hard to ride a bike? Why?
They keep on stopping.
That's okay. Let's keep going. We gotta get down.
No.